guys, it's Kevin here, back with another video, and today I got a special one for y'all. We are going to Choctawhachee, me and old Emily over here. We're going to see if we can't catch some bass, some brim, see what we can't do. Alright, I'll catch y'all when I'm unloading the boat. Alright guys, we're unloaded. Got Emily over here, messing with some GoPro stuff. Got the boat going, and I'll see y'all when we get to the spot. Look at there. Don't care. There's a fish. Hey! Popo! Popo! Hey! He ain't paying attention. Hey! First one, boys. He's a nice one. Nice solid one. Reeling your slack. Want a bass fish? Okay. So you throw it the same way, but that one weighs a lot more, so you're gonna be able to throw it towards the bank. Just aim low, all right? There he is. Oh, that's a good one, Emily. That's a good one. Boat flip, baby.
He's so big.
It's a nice 2.5 pounder. There we go. Look at that chunky thing. Let's go. Hey, I'm gonna say, that's a good one. Start splashing the water. Yeah. Ooh, nice cast. What? Is he still on there? Set the hook, set the hook, set the hook.
What does that mean?
Reel it in.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
oh, Emily, you got him? You got him? Let him fight. No, don't reel it in. Let him fight. Come on, reel it in. All right, bring him closer to the boat over here. Oh yeah, that's a nice bass. Come on. Oh, Emily, just let him fight. Let him fight. Let him fight. Let him fight. Let me get him for you. Oh yeah, baby. Look at Emily. Look at you. Catching him. Shoo! Look at that bass, boys. Emily's first river bass. Nice one. Put him in the live well. There he is. but he's pulling. It's a nice one, boys. God, had the belly on him. Look at that belly on him, boys. That thing is, he ain't about 12 inches long, but look at the belly. He's been eating up in here. Eating. Everybody say hey to Emily. She's back there trying her hardest to fish. Did you get it? Okay. Look, you're learning. You're learning. You done got a win knot taken out by yourself. Why? We're using the same worm. We're using the same worm. I'm not going very far. Oh. Get out of there, boy. Oh my God. He's fighting. Yeah. Look at that, Emily. Look, throw your where I just had mine right up against that big log in the middle. Throw it right in there. That one will throw it. Just see?
Over it.
Yeah. There's another one, boys. Look at there. Put him on the spinnerbait. Good job. Got him. Oh, it's a jackfish. Jackfish. Yep. Get out from that log. Oh my God. Get out from around there, buddy. Guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Me and Emily slayed the bass today. Caught some pretty decent ones too, if I gotta say so myself. But yeah, we're gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out.